If you're seeing this video, it's one of three reasons. One, you want to make an additional income online. Two, you're living paycheck to paycheck. Three, you're looking for a way to escape your 9-to-5 job. This is exactly what I was doing. I was constantly on social media. I was trying to find the best way to make money from home so I can quit my engineering job and have family time and travel the world. And I have tried so many side hustles, from YouTube automation, testing websites, dropshipping, and Amazon FBA, but none of those made it possible for me to make a life-changing income so I can quit. Until I got lucky to come across affiliate marketing. I didn't have to create or sell my own products, hire a sales team, do any customer service, or even build my own online store. I started completely from scratch. I started with 0 followers. I had no prior experience or any education. And in 8 months, I was able to quit my engineering job. In 12 months, I've made over $100,000 with my affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing will allow you to make an additional income, stop living paycheck to paycheck, travel around the world, and escape your 9-to-5 job and have the freedom to work whenever you want. If you want to learn how I did it and how I started, follow me, comment info, or click the link in my profile to start the exact same way that I did.